I'm Y from OMX, and we are developing a smart weekly scheduling application designed specially for university students and professors. The app helps users organize lectures, meeting, assignments, self study, and personal time by automatically generating a balanced weekly schedule. It adapts one plain change, protect rest and sleep time, and aims to reduce stress while improving productivity. So, thank you for your time to answer these questionnaires. So, what best describe your rules?
Okay, well, Wine, I'm actually a master's student studying in Chulalongkorn University, and I'm studying international law.
So, as a master student, how many classes or courses do you usually take in a typical semester?
I have to take at least 4 courses in a typical semester, and it's quite overwhelming.
So, how do you usually plan your week? Is it by app or your calendar, or did you write it down?
Well, I mostly plan it on my calendar in my phone, which is already installed. And sometimes, if I feel the need, I would write it down.
So, is that stressful for you to plan weekly by yourself?
It can be stressful at times.
So, what do you struggle with most while planning your own schedule?
Well, the problem is not having enough time and sometimes forgetting about the things that I have to do.
So, do your plans often change during the week?
Yes, it does.
So, if your plans have changes every week, have you ever missed deadlines or felt overwhelmed because of poor planning?
I have missed some deadlines and it has benefited very badly.
So, what do you do if you fall behind the schedule?
It depends, but mostly I would have to replan them manually, and sometimes I have to rush the deadlines, the things that I have to do, and it becomes all of a. It's sometimes become a mess.
So, what do you think is your biggest problem with your current approach to planning your schedule?
I would say time and accuracy because I'm doing it by myself, and just like I mentioned, I forget a lot of things in between, and I assume many other people too.
So, if an AI application could automatically generate your weekly schedule, how would you feel about it?
I think it's a good idea, and I would use it by myself.
So, what is one feature that will make you trust an AI generated scheduling app to plan your time?
Just like I mentioned, I would want this app to be more accurate. So I would want the app to plan my schedule precisely and also implement the other factors that I do not key in by myself that I sometimes forget to do. For example, my sleep schedules, my lifestyle, yeah, things like that.
So, do you have any more expectation from using AI generated scheduling app to plan your things?
Well, just like I mentioned, it would be very nice if the app could consider everyone's lifestyle and other goals that would be necessary for a human to have for us students or like professors for working class people to have. Yeah.
So, if this app is existed, will you consider to use it even if you have to buy the premium? Why or why not?
Yes, if it existed, I would consider buying the premium if it has it. If it has all the qualities that I just mentioned, because it's a lot better and it makes my work more efficient to have a very good planned week in my schedule. Yeah.
So, this is all for the questions for our interview, and thank you for answering all of it.
Okay, thank you too.